Why buy a certified pre-owned Hyundai instead of a used car? Follow me. Hey guys, this is David here with Patrick Hyundai at the Patrick Hyundai location here in Schaumburg, Illinois. If you're looking for a budget-friendly vehicle, a Hyundai Certified Pre-Owned vehicle is the one for you. Hyundai Certified Pre-Owned vehicles go through a rigorous inspection process to ensure they meet Hyundai's high standards. These aren't just used cars. They're carefully selected, thoroughly inspected, and backed by Hyundai. One of the biggest benefits of choosing a certified pre-owned Hyundai is an exceptional warranty coverage. 10-year, 100,000 mile, along with additional coverage that helps protect your investment. That means long-term confidence at more affordable price. For families in Schaumburg, around the area, Chicagoland area, even out-of-state clients, from my personal experience, certified pre-owned Hyundais offer the perfect balance of safety, space, and value. You get more modern safety features, comfortable interiors like here in the Sonata, and dependable performance without a cost of buying anything brand new. If you're ready to get more value and a peace of mind for your next vehicle, come visit us here at Patrick Hyundai in Schaumburg, Illinois. Also, you can visit our website at patrickhyundai.com to view our Hyundai Certified Pre-Owned selection models.